Hi Big Tractor Power fans, this video comes to you from a barley field located in western Kentucky. The 2024 harvest is just getting underway. The crop is being gathered by a 36-foot wide SHELBOURNE XRS36 stripper head operated by a Class 8 John Deere S780 combine rated at 473 engine horsepower. It offers 400 bushels of grain bin storage capacity and unloads at 3.8 bushels per second from a 28.5 foot long unloading auger. In this presentation, I would like to share with you the SHELBOURNE stripper head's production history, specifications, and list price tag, as well as taking viewers for a ride in the combine to see how this machinery works. But first, let's head out to the field so that you can see and hear all this harvesting action. The Shelbourne Reynolds Company began manufacturing harvesting equipment in 1972. They are located in the United Kingdom in Stanton, Suffolk. They first started manufacturing pea harvesting equipment in the 1970s and then began researching and developing grain harvesting equipment with their stripper head. The first model went to the field in 1989, and then they expanded to North America, with the first 20-foot models being sold in 1990 in western Kentucky. Today, they are manufacturing models from 16 feet all the way up to 42 feet and have a location in Colby, Kansas to cover the United States and Canada. SHELBOURNE stripper heads are designed to harvest a variety of small grains, including barley, wheat, rice, oats, linseed, flax, field peas, grass seed, and more. The header is designed with 8 rows of stripper fingers mounted